Let's continue. Of course, there is also a topic called enhanced brand content and A+ content. These are topics you can do when you have a brand and increase the percentage of your sales. What are these? We have already seen one example here. For example, you can add videos to the product here. Below is the description section. See the description section in this way, you can do it with images. These are the things that show that you have your brand, and if you do, both your conversion rate and sales will increase by 5%. Of course, you will come to the first rankings much faster. If you plan to do this job seriously, you need to move to branding quickly. Let's continue. In addition, the time that customers spend on your product page is an important issue for the Amazon A9 algorithm. Your transactions are tracked by Amazon. Now I click on this product. For example, which photo I looked at is followed by Amazon. Amazon pays attention to how many seconds I look at these photos, whether I watch videos or not. For example, I go down. It pays attention to how much I stand here. When I go further down, it is noticing whether I am looking at the questions, for example. It looks at which question I read, which question I comment on. All of these are paid attention. It also pays attention to the reviews I see below, which review I read, all of them, that is, every click. It calculates how long you spent in the reviews, that is, everything. Accordingly, it determines how much your product is related to this word. If you want to rank with the keyword travel pillow, of course you need to pay attention to the Amazon algorithm. The more time your customers spend on your page, the better. Amazon thinks you like this. This product is important because there are a lot of customers who look and examine and spend time even if customers don't buy it. As I said, if this product is related to the keyword travel pillow, the customer clicking it examines it. Let's say a customer spent 5 minutes on this page. You are important to Amazon. There is also the opposite. Think of yourself as a customer. You entered the product page and did not like the product. Let's even say you're out of Amazon after this situation. This is a very important thing for Amazon. So if a customer does not stop for a second on the product page, or even quits completely from Amazon, this is a very bad effect for Amazon. You are removing that customer from Amazon, and in this case, you are causing Amazon to lose customers. So this is an event that Amazon doesn't like at all. Know what customers are doing on your page, and how long they spend, and that Amazon is supervised and observed. And know that this also has a place in the algorithm. Let's continue. Actually, customer satisfaction is what Amazon considers most important. The most important reason why Amazon is differentiated and #1 in the world is that it can satisfy customers. Try to answer questions from your customers quickly. These are of course the things Amazon will love. Amazon should not receive bad reviews from customers related to you or bad feedback to your store. Therefore, your store feedbacks will be very important. These reviews will affect the positive or negative view of Amazon. I have already mentioned the buy box topic. Reviews will be very useful when buying a buy box. Try to increase your reviews in turn. Try to answer your customers' questions quickly. Try to act in a way that will please them. These are important factors that will bring you to the first page. Amazon looks at your entire history. Looks at everything like whether your store is successful or not. These are the factors that will allow you to come to the first rankings quickly. Refund is also a very important issue. If there are many returns after your products are sold, that is, you sold 100 products, but if 10 of them are returned, Amazon says that the products you are selling also have some problems. You can solve these problems. If the problem persists, and even customers start giving a point, they warn you. Amazon says there are some problems with your products. First, he warns you to fix them. If the problem persists, it may close your list after warning. Even if you try to continue this business, that is, if you offer customers bad experience, Amazon can even close your account. First of all, the first thing Amazon will do is to close your list, of course. It will ask you for a plan of action. If you do not have any problems in this section, if you explain it to Amazon and explain the problem and your solution, of course it will open your account or list. So you should be careful about returns. Even if there is a problem in these returns, you should talk to your manufacturer and look at producing higher quality products. Another criteria is to provide traffic from outside, as every platform likes. One of the favorite things of the Amazon is that new customers come from outside, such as Facebook and Instagram. Try to attract traffic to your products in any way. I'll be telling you how to do them on Facebook, Instagram, or YouTube. It is useful to work in detail, especially on chatbot marketing. Amazon loves this event because you brought Amazon customers from outside. So think about it, as I said, you are trying to rank with the keyword travel pillow. Amazon will love people who bring the most traffic outside. We are trying to do the things that Amazon loves, and we pay attention. I will also be making detailed explanations regarding the traffic withdrawal from outside. It is necessary to work seriously to attract traffic from outside. It will also be useful for you to create a loyal customer base, especially if you are considering this business for a long time. If you have a follower group on these sites, you can quickly come to the first pages by presenting your product on Instagram or other platforms by posting your product via chatbots. You need to use traffic from the outside seriously. Finally, let me tell you one more thing, so that you can be on the first pages. The first 90 days after shipping the product are very important. They call the first 90 days of your product on Amazon as honeymoon. After you send your product to Amazon, the product you send becomes active as soon as cargo arrives at Amazon. The first 90 days from the moment your products are active are very important. Amazon treats you very well in the first 90 days and responds very well to your campaigns and quickly brings you to the first pages. You can even get badges like Amazon Choice Bestseller. It is necessary to use the first 90 days very carefully here. As the list ages, that is, as days pass, you will not progress quickly. You will not be able to progress as fast as the first 90 days when you organize campaigns in this way. Therefore, you must run serious campaigns within 90 days from the moment your product arrives to Amazon. You should launch your product very well. I will already explain these, that is, how to make giveaway and PPC campaigns. You have to be very careful with the first 90 days. Your launch campaigns in the following days will not yield better results than the first 90 days. For example, we realize that when we try again to bring our old lists to the first page, it is much more difficult. But we tried and experienced a new list, that is, we can quickly bring the product we just sent to the first pages. You should be very careful at the product launch stage. You have to plan very well. You must complete your plans beautifully before the first 90 days are over. In most keywords, you should now include the first page, so that after 90 days, you can progress steadily. Yes, in this video, I told you about the Amazon A9 algorithm. I have explained how the A9 algorithm works. I said that the most important criteria is the sales speed. After that, I explained a lot of criteria such as conversion rate, listing quality, etc. We comply with these criteria, namely, we will try to bring our products to the first page by doing the things that the Amazon A9 algorithm likes. This is our main goal. We will try to be among the top 5 or 10 products, not only on the first page. How to do these campaigns in the next sections. How to bring your product to the first page. I will be explaining how to sell your products in accordance with the Amazon A9 algorithm. See you in the next lecture.